In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your LG refrigerator for warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to lg.com, and then from here, we want to go ahead and sign in to your account. So there's a sign in or sign up button. Then once we've done that, we want to go ahead and click on register a product. Now we're going to be taken to the registration page here. So product registration, this is where you can register all of your LG products in one page here. So we want to go ahead and click on let's start registration. Now from here we got two options. We can enter manually or scan a code. That just disappeared for me. I'm not sure why. Maybe because I'm using the laptop. But if you're using your phone, it's probably going to say you can scan your product. So from here, I'm going to scroll down. We can go ahead and find my model number, or if you know your model number, go ahead and click on that model number. We can enter the serial number here and also date, and then place a purchase. So type a place a purchase. So that could be in store, online, etc. And then from here, it says optional, but I suggest just taking a photo as well, because you can't beat having actual real proof that you've got it. So you want to go ahead and upload your proof of purchase, so files must be less than 10 megabytes. Then from there, click on submit, and then once you've hit submit, you're going to successfully register your LG refrigerator for warranty.